If your hatchery is producing inconsistent fry, the problem is not with your water or your feed, it's your breeding decision. I'm Abraham, a Fisheries and Aquaculture specialist with FAO certification in Aquaculture Breeding and Genetics, field experience across hatchery operations in Northwest and Southeast Nigeria, and remote consulting work in South America. I design selective breeding programs, evaluate and select broodstock based on performance traits, plan hybridization strategies, and build hatchery systems that produce quality fry consistently, all tailored to your specific species, your system, and your production goals. I've worked across more than 20 farms and hatchery systems. Every client gets recommendations built specifically around what their operation actually needs. Whether you run a commercial fish farm, a hatchery operation, a research program, or an aquaculture development project, I'll give you a science-based breeding strategy, not a generic template copied from someone else's farm. When you message me, tell me your species, your current challenges, and your production goals. Let's build your breeding program the right way.